How to turn on or off animation effects in Windows 11. Experience Windows in a lively or uniform manner. Here's how users can turn Windows 11 animation effects on or off. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to Ninja One's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Pros and cons of Windows animation effects. The purpose of Windows 11's animation effects goes beyond mere aesthetics. They can give users a smoother and more fluid experience on their desktop. However, others may prefer a more minimal or static interface for various reasons, such as to improve device performance or to accommodate motion-sensitive users. Regardless of the reason, turning on and off the animation effects is easy and can be done in 4 different ways. Methods to adjust animation effects. Method 1. Settings. Let's start with Settings. Open Settings and navigate to Accessibility, Visual Effects. Find Animation Effects and simply toggle it on or off. The change takes effect immediately for the current user. Method 2. Performance Options dialog. For a broader control of visual effects, you can try the Performance Options dialog. Press Windows key plus R and enter System Properties Performance. Under the Visual Effects tab, select one of 2 options. To turn off all animation, choose Adjust for Best Performance. To configure selected effects, select Custom and uncheck individual items. Method 3. PowerShell. For admins wanting to implement changes in an enterprise environment, use PowerShell. Open PowerShell as administrator and use this command to disable all animations. Or this command to enable animations for the currently logged in user. Method 4. .reg file. Finally, for portability and batch configuration, you can create and run a .reg file. Simply open Notepad and type in this script to disable or this script to enable. Save it as a .reg file and double-click on it to run it in the registry editor. After applying the file, restart Windows Explorer or sign out and back in for the settings to take effect. Configuring animation effects on Windows is just one way to tailor your Windows experience to your tastes and preferences. For more information, check out our official blog post on how to turn off animation effects in Windows 11, linked in the description below.